In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image texture or material to an object in Blender. We'll walk through the essential workflow for taking any image, like a photo, logo, or pattern, and applying it neatly to a 3D object. This is a core skill for creating realistic materials and presenting products or characters with the right look. Start by opening Blender and selecting the object you want to texture. This could be a cube, a plane, a character, or a product model. The material you create will be applied to whatever is currently selected, so double check you've clicked the right object in the 3D viewport or outliner. Next, go to the Material Properties tab on the right, the one with the red sphere icon, and click New. Blender will create a fresh material that uses the principled BSDF shader by default. This is a powerful all-in-one shader that handles most physically based materials, and we're going to feed our image into its base color. Under Surface, find Base Color and click the small yellow dot next to it. From the menu, choose Image Texture. Blender will automatically add an image texture node and connect it to the principled BSDF, which tells the shader to use your image as the color input. Click Open on the image texture node, browse to your file, select it, and confirm with Open Image. Blender supports common formats like PNG, JPG, or JPEG, TIFF, and WEBP, so most images you work with will load without trouble. To preview your texture right away, switch the 3D viewport to Material Preview in the top right shading controls. If everything is set up, your image should appear on the object. If it looks stretched, mirrored, or out of place, the model may need proper UVs. To fix that, select the object, press Tab to enter edit mode, press A to select all faces, then press U to unwrap. You can choose Smart UV Project for a quick automatic layout or Unwrap for more control if your model already has seams. This creates UV coordinates that tell Blender how to place the 2D image onto your 3D surface. If you want to fine-tune the placement, open the shader editor, add a texture coordinate node and a mapping node, then connect UV to mapping and mapping to the image texture's vector input. Use the mapping node's location to shift the image rotation to turn it and scale to resize or tile it until it looks right. Finally, switch to rendered view to see the material under actual lighting and confirm the final appearance. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials.